So, how am I this early? Or is anybody else coming?
No, you're only there. Tell me, what's new? How are you doing? Are you practicing number sense? Are you practicing number sense? Are you practicing number sense? Oh, your mom is there. Are you practicing number sense? Are you hearing me? Wait, I'm not able to hear you either. Hey, Neil, talk once. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I just controlled. Yeah. So,
Hmm.
yeah. I just finished with. I just went to set quick settings and I just went to the microphone setting to the sound settings.
Okay. Now I'm asking about your math. Are you practicing?
Uh, um, that's not really.
Why? Only when you practice math comes, right?
Even when I do the homework, I just learn. Maybe. Never mind.
Every day, why don't you do one? Can we have it like that? Every day, can you do one? Every day for 10 minutes, do one. Why don't you join with Yuvati and do? Or why don't you join with, yeah.
I tried to do that, but each time I forget my math notebook, or maybe it's because Neil
Doesn't want to do?
Yeah, he doesn't want to
I
do.
know, I know. I can
Not
understand
really.
how it's.
I just feel mad when doing the homework.
Neil, are you practicing the number sense?
Number sense? No. Plus,
Why?
I don't know.
Every day you have to take a print and practice, for 10 minutes.
I don't. Okay, fine.
Do you see what I mean? Do you think you can
I
do it?
do.
Do
I
you think you
understand.
Okay, do you do daily math, Yuvati?
I sometimes I don't get. I usually don't get to do it because I have classes every day now. I usually try to find some time,
Uh-huh.
but like whenever I have time to do math, I usually just like do the STAR test because our STAR test is next week.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's on Tuesday.
yeah, on Tuesday.
And our previous reading star test was last week, too. Also Tuesday.
I see. Okay, when is your math star?
Math start
April 28th.
28th.
What am I?
April
April
28th for both
28th.
of us.
April
It's the
28th.
same day.
Oh, 28. Okay, that's far. Okay, good to know. Okay. Okay.
What is
Okay, now can we go ahead? Hi, Ritu, how are you?
I'm good.
You're good? Okay.
Yeah.
So, how was the homework? When is your star?
My math starts tomorrow.
Tomorrow? When is your guys' star?
April
Hey,
28th.
April 21st and 20th. Okay. It's not far because they can't have it that far. Okay. I see. Because you belong to two different ISDs, that might be the issue.
Yeah.
That's fine. Got it. Okay. Star should be easy, guys. Let's move on. Okay. How much of the book do we have? Let's see that. Okay. I wanted to check that with you guys together when we are all together. I really wanted to see how much of it we have. Okay. So let's see. Okay. How was the last week homework? Did you have any questions?
How was the last week?
1 second.
How was the last week homework? Did you have any questions?
No, not really, except for
Okay.
yeah, kind of a problem. For example, the question 20 was hard.
Bye, Ma.
Okay. What was hard? Can you tell me what was that?
Please bring up question 20. Remember, it's about
Wait
a
up, wait
cruise.
up.
Okay, and I also wanted to know where are we in the 4D book?
4D book, we finished chapter 11, which is decimals, but we have not finished chapter 10, which I
Wait, wait.
wanted to.
We haven't started integers, however it's pronounced. Yeah.
No. So we
We
finished chapter
have
10.
started integers. We have not started probability, but we already know that. But we have started. We have. Okay, fine.
Oh, we've started.
We have
a
not started
little
the
of it
probability chapter or either the multiplying fraction chapter. Yay.
No, for the 4D book, what happened? 4C, I can understand, Amma. 4D, where are we?
Yeah,
Integers.
we're pretty much. No, not 4G. Integers is not in 4G.
Oh, yeah.
We finished decimals, but we have not finished the multiplying fractions and dividing them, and also probability.
Okay, where are we on the 4B book?
4B book? Still halfway around logic.
Yeah, we're like 2/4 to 3/4 way in lot.
Okay,
yeah,
let me ask you clearly, guys. Okay, 4D looks like we are almost done with everything, huh? No.
Not really. I'd
4D.
say
4D, we have the probability to cover. Where are we on decimals in 4D?
decimals on 4D. I think we finished it.
Till what page number have you done in your book?
I have not. I'm not. I don't know.
49. So till 68 we have done. Interesting. Till 68 we have done in 4D. Okay. I see. So I want to do these for sure. Okay, let's see this. Okay. Decimals, you guys are good, I know, but let's see. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead with this. Let me share my screen. Akshara, how are you, ma? I didn't ask you anything, right? Hi, how are you? How are you doing in school, Akshara?
Doing good.
Doing good. Okay, let's review a little bit of decimals, and I'm going to move on to probability. Okay, that's something that's going to take time.
Can
And
we do multiplying fractions, please?
multiplying fractions. Okay, I'll come in between. Okay, so can you write this decimal as a fraction in simplest form? Change this to a fraction in simplest form. I want to understand where each of you are. So don't shout out your answer. Send it to me.
Plus, got the answer.
Miss Priya, did I get it right?
Tell me. Did
What?
you get that?
Which? Did I get it right?
Yes. Wait. Let's see.
Me?
Can I explain it?
I'm checking, guys. Akshara. Oh, wow.
Um,
Wow, Akshara, good job. Yuvati, good job. Neil, good job. Guys, you guys are super. Okay, let me see. Okay, how about this? Mm, okay, how about this? Mm, I really want to do one hard problem. Which one?
Or can we do
Yeah, you
something?
can as well look at the book and tell me what to do. Hmm?
Um, are we doing 4D?
Okay, how about this? Yeah, we are doing 4D.
Wait, no. This is a color book.
Okay, we'll do this one. Come on, let's see.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Let's do this one. Okay, 1 kg equal to 2.2 pounds. Okay, what is the weight of 0.75 pounds in kilograms? Okay, now I'll give you options 0.34, 0.43, 1.65, 2.93 kg. All are in kgs. Which is the closest one to 0.75? I'm going to leave it to you guys to decide.
so, so will I get bonus points if I explain my work? Ah, okay, whatever.
Sorry I was late. Excuse me, sorry I was late.
What or no? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, that's nice. Neil, what was your answer? I'm waiting, guys. Ritu, what was your answer? Akshara, what was your answer? Which is very near?
Mine was 0.34.
Okay. How about you, Neil? How about you, Neil?
Still solving.
Mm-hmm. Let me see. How did you solve, Yuvati? You want to say?
Can I? I want to just solve it before even somebody else answer.
Okay, doesn't matter. Go ahead.
Well, I didn't do like much of solving because what I would do is I just like look at the 0.75. Well, first I know that 1 kg and like I look at 1 kg and 2.2 pounds, and I can try to convert that into a fraction. Wait, can I draw on the board?
Yeah, you can, Yuvati.
So 1 kg, because like this top is 2, and then the place is tenths for the 0.0. So the 1 equals 10 by 10.
Correct. Go ahead.
And then the 2.2
Mm-hmm.
equals 2 and 2/10.
Okay.
And then so the difference between 10 by 10 and 2 by 10 is 8 by 10.
Mm-hmm.
So the amounts in pounds. So 2 by wait no not 8 by so 1 and 2 by 10.
Mm-hmm.
That'll give you, if I add, so I can start off with adding, so 1 to 2 by 10 is 1 2 by 10.
Correct.
2 by 10 is the difference.
Mm.
So then I can look at like all these answer choices, and like I usually start at the left, so I have 0.34, which will also equal to 34 by 100. And then and then it's asking us to see if it's equal to the 75 by 100. But first we need to check, because we know that 1 2 by 10 is the difference. We can turn 1 2 by 10 into an improper fraction.
1 minute, Ma. I have a big question. Are you looking at the difference? And then the difference from here to the kg should be 1 2 by 10. Is that what you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
That does not make sense to me.
Not like the 1 2 by 10, but
Yeah, but 1 2 by we should not be looking at the difference, right? Why? Meaning, see, okay, the way it works is, see, if 1 kg is 2.2 pounds, this is all about proportions, right? Then 1.1 pounds is half a kg. So here you're going to divide by 2, divide by 2. Or multiply by 1, multiply by 2. If you multiply by 2, you get multiply by 2. You can't go with subtraction of the difference between the two, because this is in pounds, this is in kgs. Does it make sense?
yeah.
Okay, how about Anya? Hey, Lakshanya, go ahead, ma. Please come up with your name, ma. Hey, you have to rename yourself. Arnav, is that you?
Yeah, except
Guys, you cannot go off the video in my classes. Particularly, you're all younger group.
I have to get off the call in order to get my video off. Can I do that?
Yeah, do that.
Okay.
Ritu, what was your answer? How did you get that?
What are you drawing?
How did you get that?
Oh my gosh.
Ritu, do you know how did you get that? See, 1 kg was 2.2 pounds, right? What is given? 1 kg is 2.2 pounds, right? I'm asking 0.75 pounds is how many kg? How did you do that, ma? How did you do that?
Did you start class early?
Yes, ma, today, because we said, right, 2 weeks we'll have like that. Naga, is your mom there in the group or not?
Yeah, Sorry. Sorry, she's in the group, but we thought it would be normal timing. It's okay.
That's okay. We just see we are working on this problem, Naga. 1 kg is 2.2 pounds. 0.75 pounds is how many kgs? Okay, Neil, how did you solve?
And
Oh
so
wow, I
to
have
make
I
it
have
a
okay,
little
okay. Wait. I'm seeing your big explanation. We'll split point into parts. 2.2 is close to about 0.75, which is approximately 1 by 3.
so I can make this a little more easier to understand.
Yeah, I got it. I got how you did that.
So
Okay.
please rewrite the questions. I mean, please rewrite the choices.
I don't want to say the choices to you. Okay, just tell me. Okay, you want me to rewrite the choices up? Point. Okay, I got 0.34, 0.43, which is near to which kg? 0.34, 0.43, 1.65, 2.71. How did you
So
decide, Ritu?
1 kg is equal to 2.2 pounds.
Mhm.
So first of all, we are not even using stuff more than a kilogram. So we'll X these out,
Mhm.
and then we have two more.
Okay, that's
So
good. You cross that out. That is very nice because there is no way it is going to go near 2.2 or 1 because we are talking about 0.75 pounds, which is way less. Okay, go ahead.
so next we have that 0.34, 0.45. Now we can use some percentages
Mm-hmm.
or fractions. 2.2. 2. And then we can 2.2 divided by 0.75, which is an approximate one, which we'll be solving it approximately. I mean 0.75. And this is quite hard to understand. So we can turn this back into a multiplication problem.
I see. Okay, go ahead.
70. So I'm gonna clear everything I drew, and now I'm gonna reset the book.
Okay,
So
Naga and Ritu, in the meantime, I want your answers, please.
7. So we have 7 next.
Uh-huh.
So we have 0.75. As you can see, it's not that good. So we'll just use the circle instead. 0.
It's gonna be one of those four, right?
Yeah, but we're gonna X those out. So since it's not right, we're gonna place an X here, and then we'll keep drawing 7, and then we'll keep drawing like that. Oh my god, what's happening? 0.75. Hey,
Yeah, go ahead.
0.75
Mm-hmm.
times about 3 times wait a minute, I wonder why my brother.
Neil, can I go ahead and explain, Neil?
Wait. So 0.75 times what can equal 3? I mean 0.75 times what
Times
equals 3?
what? Yeah. Times what is 2
And
points.
then so we'll go back to the actual numbers, like the whole numbers. 75 times approximately what can equal 220.
Good job. I like your way of doing. Okay, Ritu, did you do this problem?
And then we
Neil, let
can
me go ahead, Neil. I got it. Okay, let's go ahead with Ritu. Okay. Ritu, how did you solve?
I'm typing my answer in chat.
Yeah, the way you thought about it, Neil, was very good actually. See, I really liked your idea. So I do understand how you did. Let's see. So you put it like this, 2.2 pounds. This is a good way actually. So this one is 0.75 pounds. So is equal to what? So what did you do? So you try to find out 0.75 will be equal to 2.2 times x. This is what you did, right? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that. I bet that's what I did.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So I found the most approximate number that multiplies.
Okay,
two
but can I tell you an
1.
easy way, guys, for these problems, right? See, 1 kg is 2.2 pounds, right? So here you just divide by 2. 1.1 lb is half a kg. 1.1 lb is half a kg, right? If that is the case, we are wanting to understand what is 0.75 pounds, right smack in between. Do you see it? Right smack in between is what we want to understand. So it has to be between 1.1 and we are trying to convert to what? Okay, oh my gosh, okay. So it is going to be 0.75. It's going to be in between, right? It's not near to anything. So basically 1.1 is here, 2.2 is here. But where is our 0.75 lb? We want only 0.75 lb, right? It should fall here, right? 0.75 lb is way too less than this. So per our calculation, it has to be less than half a kg. So this is gone, this is gone. Okay. 0.45 is less than half a kg, 0.34 is less than half a kg clearly. But when you think about it, see, 1.1 lb to 0.75 is almost half. You see? So it is not near. You see, it is not near this. It's way too less. So similarly, 0.45 is very near the half a kg. So it has to be 0.34. That's an easier way. You can make an estimation. You got it?
Yeah.
You don't need to. Yes, Yuvati, tell me.
Well, how I first did it was just like I knew that 0.75 into kgs. I knew that like it should probably be like as a little like less as possible. But I know it won't be like super less, like 0.45 or something. I knew it would be somewhere in the 30s, so I thought it would be like 0.34. I just kind of like estimated it.
Nice. Now, guys, one another thing when you think about it here, right? Half is equal to 50 by 100. You all know the equivalent fractions, right? This is another good way of doing all these problems. Any conversion. Half is equal to 50 by 100. You all know that, okay?
Yeah.
Now, make a butterfly here. Make a butterfly here. What happens? When I do the butterfly, right, I write out their wings. 1 times 100 is equal to 2 times 50. It makes sense, right? 1 times 100 equal to 2 times 50. That makes sense if you think about it. So similarly, you know what? I'm going to do this, okay? 1 kg equal to 2.2 pounds. Similarly, they're asking for 0.75 lb. lb, I'll write it together. You don't know what kg. Do you see? So I can write 1 by the question mark will be equal to 2.2 by 0.75. Did you see that? I told you, right? Butterfly. What should I write? 2.2 times what? Times what is equal to 0.75. This
Okay,
is
that's
another.
actually, that sounds very similar to my way.
Yeah, exactly. That sounds very similar to what Neil did. But this is the easier way for me, meaning for you, rather than using this to convert, rather than using the butterfly wings to convert and say 2.2 times something is equal to 1 times 0.75. Rather than saying that these numbers are very complex, you can just estimate it in here. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Okay, find the quickly, guys. These are just easy questions. What is the perimeter of this figure? Quickly. What is the perimeter of this figure?
Perimeter. Okay.
What is the perimeter of this figure? Quick, comma, please.
Okay.
Easy one now.
Wait, does the dot mean like times or is it point?
It's decimal, ma.
Okay.
It's addition.
Yep.
Both sides.
Miss Priya, for some reason, one of my math teachers said that the butterfly method is kind of like a cheating method.
What is that, ma?
They don't let us do it in school.
Like they said that it's kind of a cheating method.
Which one, ma?
The butterfly. She said that it doesn't make sense, but it makes sense.
Okay. Let's not go with the butterfly right now. Yes, Yuvati. What did you want to say, Yuvati?
Wait, 1 sec.
Mm-hmm.
I was wanting to ask if I could show something on the whiteboard, like after we're done with this.
Yeah. Let's go ahead.
I was just wanting to like show like how they made us do it in school, and they said we couldn't do the butterfly method.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Let's not follow, but butterfly following the method. Whoever understands, please do that. Okay.
I understand it, but they
on the
don't
board.
like us to.
If you understand the butterfly, that's fine. Okay. Right now, I would not ask you to follow that and this. Whichever you understand it better, follow that. Go ahead. See, if I ask you, let's say I'm saying 2 meter, let's say I say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then if I ask you for 400 centimeters, centimeter should be under centimeter always, okay? If I'm asking you how many meters, right? It's nice to write it out as a ratio. Ratio in the sense ratio means, what do I say? Maybe you can say meter by centimeter equal to meter by centimeter. So like 1 by 100 is equal to question mark by 400. That makes sense. So what you can do, 100 times watt is equal to 400, because the butterfly wing 1 is 100 times watt. The other side of the butterfly is 400 times 1. So 100 times watt is 400, 4. So the question mark is 4. The butterfly method really works, okay? Meaning, but you should understand what are we doing. We are writing out ratio between meter and centimeter. So 1 by 100 is meter by centimeter given. But what are they asking? We are making equivalent fractions. Okay. Question mark by 400, because we thought about it as meter by centimeter is equal to meter by centimeter on the other side. We are making equivalent fractions. In equivalent fractions, you don't go by subtraction, Yuvati. That is where I wanted you to understand that. We go by factors of multiplication or division. Got it? So that's where don't consider the difference. Rather, you should see I multiply this by what to get this. Similarly, I multiply the denominator with something else to get this. Okay, let me do a few metric conversions. Let's go ahead and find the perimeter for this one now, quickly. Let's do the metric, let's do the, this perimeter, guys, quick.
Next, explain this one.
What, ma?
Next, explain this one.
1 minute, ma, if I don't get the answer from everybody, yes. Otherwise, I'm going to move on. Yes, Naga, that's correct. 196. Vihan, check your answer.
Wait, Miss Priya, what are we supposed to do again?
Perimeter, ma. Neil, what is the perimeter I asked you? What is that answer, Neil?
Perimeter, I did the perimeter.
Oh, Yuvati, your answer is also not correct. Are you guys getting it correctly? 3.18 plus 3.18 is what? 6.36, right?
Yeah.
Then 3.3 plus 3.3 is 6.6. So the answer is 6.96.
That's what I got.
Yeah, 6.96 centimeter.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wasn't that what I put?
Yeah, I don't know, Yuvati. You didn't put that. Okay, Neil, that's correct.
Oh. Wait, no.
Yeah,
Like, when I was writing down my 6, I don't know why it turned into a 0.
Okay. Lakshanya, we are just discussing some decimals, okay? So now, one last question on decimal, guys. I'm going to move on to probability. How about this? What sign comes here?
Oh.
Miss Priya. Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
How was the last question not 12.96?
12.96 is correct, Ma. Vihan, your answer was correct. That's why I left it. Everybody got it. Most of them. Okay. Go ahead and do this one.
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
Yeah, Ma, 1 second. Oh, wow. Good job, Lakshanya. Nice way of doing it. Good job, Yuvati. Proud of you. Akshara, where are your answer, Ma? Arnav, how did you decide, Arnav? Samhit, where is your answer? Anvita, do you know
I
how
just
to
sent it.
compare this, Ma, Anvita? Do you know how to compare these two decimals? Samhit, good job. Vihan, very nice. Okay, Anvita,
Miss
do you know
Priya.
how to compare these two, Ma? What sign goes there?
I don't know. I'm figuring it out.
Okay, can I help you?
Sir.
Miss Priya.
Ritu, did you get it? Yeah. I'm waiting for your answer, Ritu. I'm
I
just
did.
noting. Yeah. Wait. No, Arnav, that's not correct. I don't think you understood Arnav. Naga, you didn't say. Oh, wow. Okay, you said the answer. Good job. Ritu, I didn't get your answer, Ma.
I did my answer.
Yeah, did you send it to me?
Yeah.
No. Can you check again?
Okay.
Oh my
I'll
God,
send-
it didn't come. Otherwise, I won't lie. I'm waiting only for your answer. See
I
the chat.
sent it again.
What, Ritu? Oh, did you log out and No, Ritu.
Yeah.
Ritu, did you get my hello message?
Yeah.
Then did you send your answer after that?
Yeah.
I didn't get it.
Should I log out and come back in?
No. Tell me what is the answer now.
0
What is the
and 9.
sign? What is the sign?
They're equal.
Okay, good. Okay. Now, Anvita, I'm going to help you, Ma. 23 by 25, how do you convert it to a decimal, Ma? Denominator should be converted to a 10 or a 100. That makes it easy on you. You got it? Okay, so here 25 times what is 100?
Four.
That was a question for Anvita. Please, let's respect each other's names as well. 25 times what? 4, right? Okay. Seriously, guys, I really want everybody to understand and nothing. Okay, nothing else. Okay. So this becomes what? 92 by 100. What is 92 by 100 is a decimal, Ma, Anvita. What is the decimal equivalent of 92 by 100?
0.92
See, so what sign should come there?
equal to.
Good job. Can we move on, guys, all of us?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, we'll move on, okay? Actually, I don't know. This is a difficult problem. I want to put it up on the screen, okay? This will be the last problem in decimal, okay? But without doing that, I feel very not okay to move on, okay? It's okay. So I have a decimal 0.ABC, okay? I convert it to a fraction, okay? When I simplify that fraction, I get 1 by 7. Okay? I don't know what decimal I started with. Okay? I know this conversion is an error. Did you understand the problem? I had a decimal 0.ABC. Okay? I converted it to a fraction. Okay? Then I simplified the fraction. Okay? When I simplified it, I understood that 1 by 7, that converting 0.ABC fraction to 1 by 7 was an error. Can you tell me why, how, what made me think so?
So like, for example, I'm not gonna actually say the answer, but like, they simplified it wrong like that. Or like,
You have to tell me where the error was, meaning how do I know that this is a mistake? It cannot happen this way. Meaning 0.ABC can't go to 1 by 7.
okay.
Go ahead. What do you think? Point ABC. Point ABC is a fraction, what it is, guys? Point ABC as a fraction is what? Who can tell me? Come on, let's think about this problem. This problem is a nice problem. Vihan, you tell me now. You have been keeping quiet. Why do you think me converting point ABC to 1 by 7 is a mistake?
Can I explain?
Why not? Okay. Vihan, let's ask Vihan because I asked Vihan, right? Vihan, what do you think? I'm going to come to you as well. Okay, go ahead.
I think it's because like it'll go to like the thousands. The decimal goes to like thousands.
Very nice. Okay. So what? You are on the right track. So what?
So since the denominator is 1000, if you simplify it, it can't go to 7.
Wow, good job. What was the other person's explanation?
Me.
What was it?
So first, I wish I had text on the board.
Okay, now you can tell me whatever is on the board. You have to quickly explain, Neil. Come on.
So there's no approximate fraction to it, and I'll explain why. For example, what if you just, for example, try to convert 3 and 1/7 and try to convert something in 1/7 into a fraction. I mean, into a decimal. First, we'll divide 1 by 7.
What happened? If you convert 1 by 7 to a decimal, what is your answer, Neil?
You don't really get an answer. Just if you try to get the most approximate one, like
you do have a decimal equivalent. You do have a decimal equivalent of 1 by 7.
There is the answer.
Huh?
What, Naga?
There is an answer. So
What is the answer? Meaning it is an error, I know. But how do you say that it's an error?
This is what I wrote. I don't really know if it's right, but in ABC, that's like 3 digits, which would kind of mean like 3 numbers.
True, ma, but when you convert it to a fraction, what happens to it? 0.ABC is a fraction when you write it. What is the fraction?
Fraction? ABC, thousands.
Good, thousands. So when you simplify it, we cannot get a 7. There is no way you'll get a 7 because 7 is not a factor of 1000. You get it? That's the mistake. So this cannot be true. You got it?
Yeah.
Anvita, does that make sense? See, for 1000 to be simplified to a 7, 7 has to be a factor, right? 7 has to be a factor of 1000, but 7 is not a factor of 1000, so it can never go to 7. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Okay. We did discuss the basics of probability already, right? You all know we had a class and we had an assignment on probability as well. Probability is just a chance. Good job, Lakshanya. Your explanation was awesome. So probability is a chance. Okay, now you can tell me. Okay, I'm going to categorize this as let's say if you have a probability of 0, it's unlikely to happen. Okay, probability of 1, it is very very likely to happen, right?
Yeah.
Very very likely to happen.
Or you just say, well, anyways,
Probability of
only will
0.5.
happen.
Maybe.
What ma?
Maybe.
Maybe so, maybe not.
So, no, let me put it as certain to happen. Let me put it as certain to happen. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
0.5 is equally likely or likely. Equally likely or likely. Or equally likely or unlikely. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now in between this is what?
Oh, maybe. Well, mostly not.
Yeah, unlikely. Or you can say unlikely we already used. So why don't we say impossible for 0?
Yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah, unlikely. Or what else? Somewhat somewhat unlikely, like that. Unlikely. Okay. Then this side what happens? Likely, very likely, all that we can have. Correct?
Okay.
Somewhat likely.
Okay. Now you understood, right? 0 means impossible, 1 means certain to happen. Okay. Now let's go ahead and try this one. How about this? Someone you know will have cereal for breakfast tomorrow. Is it likely, unlikely, or what? What do you think?
Very likely.
Very likely.
Okay, you will think
I
about
already know it.
Okay, you will think about math at least in one day. What do you think, Arnav?
Uh,
You'll think about math at least in one day. You will think about math once at least in one day.
I think about like does like geometry cause math
any type
like
of
cubes and like spheres, like does that count as math?
that it includes every type of math, including
Okay,
version.
then that is. And the
So,
shapes
is
of
it
stuff.
likely or unlikely?
Very likely.
Very likely.
For me, even if I don't do any math, it's my favorite subject. So yeah.
Okay, very likely. Good job.
Something
Okay.
that's not very likely to happen is me finding an alien landing on my
Okay,
house.
let me ask you this. Let me ask you this question. It will rain today. What is the probability that it will rain today? It can be from 0 to 1, right? Any probability, any chance can be from 0 to 1. Okay. 0 means impossible. 1 means it will definitely happen. 1 means 100%. This is 0%. Okay. What is 0%? 0 by 100. Percent can be replaced by a division by 100. 100% means 100 per means divide. Cent means 100. 100, that's why I said the chance, probability of something happening. Probability means chance that something will happen can range between 0% and 100%. Yes, Yuvati, what did you have to say?
I was reading. I was just trying to get my.
Turn it down a little bit. Turn it down and
Okay.
okay.
Oh, and by the way, I think I have an answer to that.
Okay.
Well,
What is the probability that it will rain today?
2% for me, I guess.
What is the probability that it will rain today? He says 2%. Any other answers?
Zero.
Because so far, if you look at the weather, it's 0. Anyway.
Okay, so impossible. So it just depends, guys, okay, on the area where you are.
Everything's possible. That's what my
maybe
teacher
in the
says.
next days of rain, it's somewhat likely because in the spring it's very rainy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Possible.
Yeah, on date, somebody said 2%, somebody said 0. That's fine. So it's nearly impossible. So now, as a part of the next thing that we move on to, right? Can you find out how many numbers are in this list? How many numbers are in this list?
Okay, counting review.
Not a hard one. Okay, there is a strategy.
Counting review. Need that.
Wait, Miss Priya.
In what, ma?
I have a question about this. When does class end?
The class ends at 7. 7.
Okay.
7 CT.
Oh, 8 EST?
That you have to calculate.
I guess so.
Okay, go ahead.
How many numbers are on this list?
Hmm.
Okay. 230.
What's the question?
How many numbers are in the list below?
Yeah.
Where's the list? I don't see it.
It says how many numbers are on the list. Maybe scroll up.
Okay. Did I get it
Go ahead.
Wow. And
How many such numbers are there? Not really. What makes you say that, Naga?
Priya, is this right?
I'm checking, ma. Ah,
wow.
yeah, Neil, that seems right. Do you want to explain, Neil? How did you do that?
Oh, it's a mental calculation. I didn't.
Yeah, Lakshanya, you're almost there, but
I just
can you recheck
subtracted.
your? Well, let me finish, ma, Neil. Lakshanya, can you recheck your answer? Lakshanya, that's right, Lakshanya. Good job.
Miss
Arnav, you have to recheck your answer. Samhit, you have to recheck your answer. You just made a silly mistake, Samhit. Vihan, you also made a silly mistake. Yuvati, no, not really, Yuvati. Yes, Neil, I'm waiting for your explanation.
Okay, so here's my mental explanation. And so, for example, let's use this one. 13, 14.
Vihan, not really. Go ahead.
13, 14. 13. Okay, it's not letting me annotate.
Okay, can I quickly tell you one easy way? Subtract 12 from everything. Subtract 12 from everything.
12.
What happens?
I
One.
just subtracted 12 from 236.
Yeah, what is the answer there? So how many numbers are there? From 1. From 1 it starts. Make it start from 1. It's very easy. How many numbers are there?
212. Instead of making another list, I'd rather just subtract.
Anvita, was that easy? Anvita, was that easy?
Yeah.
Okay, Naga, what ma?
Can I present today?
Yeah, absolutely. Because you corrected it, I know. Absolutely, you can present. Akshara, are you following, ma? Akshara, are you following?
Yeah, I'm following.
Okay, good. How about this? How many numbers are in this list?
Okay, let's do this.
Take your time, but do it slowly and correctly. Please, guys, take your time, but do it slowly and correctly.
Okay.
You get it, guys? How did you do?
Priya, am I right?
Yes. I'll check. Yuvati, not really, I feel, ma. I will check. Not really, Yuvati.
Wait, why? Because I know that 15 is behind the 16.
No, but did you guys observe that they are three
Oh, wait,
spaced
no, no,
apart?
no, 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 no. I'm a. Wait,
Lakshanya,
no.
they're all spaced apart by 3. Good job, Neil. That's correct. Naga. Yes, please, Naga. Go ahead. Akshara, good job, ma. Akshara, can you explain how you did it?
Yeah. So I just counted the numbers like in the sequence, and so it goes by threes because it's 16, 19, 22. So 16 is one number, 19 is one number, 22 is one number, and then it goes all the way to 61 is one number, 64 is one number.
Yeah, but what did you do?
I just counted all of them.
You just?
I counted all of them and put it in like a
You know what? Easier way to count you have to think, right? You cannot count like this, right? You might make mistakes. So what is the easiest way? What do you think is the easiest way? Think about an easier way, guys. Play with numbers, right? That's what is important, right? Think about what can make your job easier. What are the numbers we have? 16, 19, okay. So how can I make my job easier? I told you, right? They are spaced by 3, right? They are spaced out by 3, 3, 3. But what can I do to make it easier? Can I subtract? I can subtract the same thing from all of the numbers. I told you, right? I can subtract 13 and make it as 3, 6, 9, and then what? 48, and then what? I'm subtracting 13, right? 51, and then what? It ends with 54. Now the thing is, it starts with 369 till 54. Still I don't know the number of numbers. So I'll go ahead and divide by 3 on all of the numbers. When I start with 1, it's going to be very easy for me to count. So it starts with 1, 2, 3. See? It goes till 18. So there are 18 numbers. Did you get it, guys? You have to play with the numbers. You can subtract the same thing or divide all of the numbers by a number. Make sense?
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
I
get the 13.
What yeah, okay. How about this? Okay, you're all going to think about this. I have 3 people. Okay, I have 3 people by name A, B, C. They're standing for a photo. They're standing for me to take a photo of them. Okay, in how many ways you can arrange them? In how many ways can you arrange them? In how many ways can you arrange them? One is ABC. I can also make ACB. Do you see it? I can put A there, but then I can interchange C and B. Like that, there are more ways if you think about it. I'm going to wait and watch calculating that properly. How many different ways they can be ordered to take a photo.
Did I get this right?
Wow, Lakshanya,
I
Naga,
don't understand.
Yuvati, good job. Vihan,
What are you supposed to do? I don't understand it.
Anya, something is wrong. Hey, Arnav, you have to write your name, Arnav. You cannot have your mom's name. I told you, right? You cannot have your mom or sister's name, please. Good job, guys. So, the way I want you to order A, B, C and see what are the possible number of ways in which they can be rearranged.
Wait, how do I change my name? What's that?
that you have to ask your mother before logging in. A, B, C can be put in as A, C, B. A can be there. And then I can put B as first and then say A, C. B as first and then say C, A. And then C as first and then say A, B. Then C as first and then say B, A. This is one way of methodically ordering. The other way, the other way is first person to stand on the line. I can put it out as A or B or C. This is called tree diagram. You can draw tree diagram. First person to stand in a row is, let's say, it can be A or B or C. If A is the first person, the second person can be what? Anvita, you tell me. If A is the first person, second person can be B or
C.
C. If B is the first person, well, who can be the second person sitting in a row? Tell me, Anita.
A and C.
Good job. If C is the first person?
A and B.
Good job. Now, in all these cases, we have to find the third person. We already made A, B stand. Who's the last person? C. We already made A, C stand in a row. Last person is B. We already made B, A stand in a row. Last person is C. We already made B, C stand in a row. Last person is A. Then here it's B. Here it's A. Any questions here? So the different ordering is A, B, C, A, C, B, B, A, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, C, B, A. So there are 6 ways to order. Any questions?
No.
When there are 3 people, the different possible ways of ordering them is always 6. Okay, now we go to this question. Okay, how about this? How many, see, when we start probability, it's a little difficult, but you'll be fine. How many multiples of 5, this is very interesting too, okay, are between 101 and 1001? Please take your time. Please take your time. Okay, think differently. Please think differently and answer this one. You don't have to be in a hurry.
The 101 and 1001.
Yeah, 101 and 1001. You have to think differently, not just like that sit and count.
Mine is my brother. Oh, and I'll say that to myself. What? I am not you.
Am I correct?
Yeah, I have a question in chat.
Yes, ma'am. Good job. Yuvati, you're thinking it the right way. Okay. But then 101 is not divisible. 1001 or 101 are not divisible by 5. So you have to think about it.
No, like 1001 minus 101.
That won't work. That you have to tell me. Think about it. You have to tell me.
Am I correct?
Not really, Arnav.
Yeah, that's why I said never mind.
Good job, Vihan. You're going to explain Vihan. Lakshanya, please review. Naga, nice way of thinking, but 101 is not divisible by 5. Samhit, good job. Samhit, why don't you explain this time? Or Vihan, who wants to explain?
I know what it is.
I would like Vihan or Samhit to explain. Go ahead, guys. You both got it.
I guess Vihan can explain.
What, ma?
Vihan can explain this.
Vihan, you want Vihan to explain? Vihan, go ahead.
Okay, so I know that in 100 there, like 5 times 20 equals 100. So if you're at then to get to 201, that's plus 100, so that's 20 because 5 times 20 equals 100. And then I just kept counting from there.
So let's see. I put 101 to 1001. What did you do, Vihan?
So since 5 times 20 equals 100,
Mm-hmm.
and if it goes from 101 to 1001, I did like 101 plus 100 equals 201. So that's 2. And then I just went from there like 40 equals 301, 60 equals 401, 80 equals 501, and just going from there. And I got to 180 equals 1001.
I see. So the other way of thinking about it is, what am I to calculate? Multiples of 5 means it starts with 105 and ends with 1000. You see? Those are the ones that I need to count. I need to count 105, 110, 115, 120, 125. Like that, I need to move on. Till what number? 1000, because 1001 is not a multiple of 5. So till 1000 I have to calculate. So you know what I'll do? What to do here? Let me think about it. If I want to think about it, can I don't know. Can I subtract 104? If I subtract 104, what happens? No, first let me divide by 5. Let me divide by 5 entirely, because all are multiples of 5, right? I told you can divide by a number throughout, right? 21, 22, 23. That makes it easy. Till 200, right? From 21 to 200, I need to find how many numbers are there. When you think about it, they're all consecutive, next numbers. But still, I have my own doubt in my calculation. So I'll go ahead and subtract 20 from everything. So that becomes 1, 2, 3. If I subtract, I end up with 180. So there are from 1 to 180 numbers in this slot. You get it? How many of you didn't get this? Kind of. See, they're all multiples of 5. So you can divide them by 5 and make them as smaller numbers, 21 to 200. However, after that, you can subtract the same number from everything and make them 1, 2, 3 numbers till 180. Does it sound good? See, apply smart ways of doing it. Okay, how about this? Okay, I'm using the digits 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are 4 digits 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I want to create a 4-digit even number. How many ways are there? I want to create a 4-digit even number. Think about it very well. I want to create a 4-digit even number. In how many ways can I make it from these 4 digits? How many ways are there to create a 4-digit even number from these 4 integers?
Yay!
How many words are there? Wait, what are you supposed to do?
To find out how many 4-digit even numbers can you create with these 4 numbers?
Okay.
Correct. So how many ways are there to create a 4-digit even number? I can give you a clue as to how to go ahead. See, if it is an even number, see, the ending digit has to be what? For it to be an even number, the tree diagram really helps you. So let's go ahead and draw the tree diagram. Okay, first digit, second digit, third digit. Okay, first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, right? Fourth digit has to be a 6 or a 8. That's the only accepted scenario. Fourth digit has to be a 6 or a 8. Okay. If this is a 6, how many ways are there? How many ways can lead to 6? If it ends with a 6, you can combine 7, 8, 9 in how many ways in these 3 places? You have to check on that. And then if it ends with 8, what are the other 3 possibilities? 6, 7, 9 should be distributed between these 3 places, right? How many ways are there to distribute 7, 8, 9? How many ways are there to distribute 6, 7, 9? That you need to find. Tell me. I'm going to wait. I told you how to find. Given you clues.
Wait, how do you remember the ABC method?
Yeah, Naga, go and come back, ma. Lakshanya, good job, ma. Lakshanya, I want you to explain. Vihan, correct. Yuvati.
No, I didn't get it correct.
Yeah, I know. Neil, correct. Lakshanya, can you explain this one for us?
Wait.
I know how to do it, but I didn't have enough time.
No problem. Then I'll wait for Naga. I'll wait for Naga. Go ahead and do.
Okay, 1
I
minute.
don't want to pressurize. Yeah. Yuvati, you missed a few. Naga, please do. We will wait.
Okay.
Ritu, are you feeling better today or no? You're not feeling well?
No, I am.
You are okay. Or are you mad about something or mad about anybody?
No.
Okay.
Out of or how many numbers like is it? Like,
I'm
so,
not
like, it's
seeing
just
the usual Ritu, happy Ritu in class, you know. Ritu. For some reason, I don't know, whatever be the reason, but I want you to be happy in the math class.
Okay, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, please go ahead. Arnav, that's not correct. You're over counting. Who's going to explain this? Lakshanya, can you explain? I asked you.
Oh, she.
Okay. Miss Priya. So,
Hmm.
can I go to the bathroom?
Yes,
Or
please. You got it. Go. Mm.
if we start with 6, we can either do 9, 7, 8 or 7, 9, 8.
978 or 798. Okay. And then
6. If we do 7, we can do 9, 6, 8. Or we could do 6, 9, 8.
uh-huh.
If we do 8 in the front, we do 8, 7, 8, 7, 9, 6.
No. If you start with 8, you can have what?
8, 7, 9, 6.
8,
Or
7,
8,
9,
9, 7, 6.
8, 9, 7, 6. Okay.
Then for 9, we can do
8, 9, 6.
8, 9, 6 and 9, 8, 6.
9, 8, 6. Correct?
Yeah.
Good job. This is a very nice way of doing it. Good job. Very nice. For me, I went ahead with the ending digit. Okay. When you want to frame a 4-digit number, the ending digit can have two ways. Ending digit can have only two digits, 6 and 8. So there are two. Okay. Once you allocate a digit there, how many digits are there for here? 3, because one digit is already allocated, right? So there are only 3 options here. And then for the second digit there are only 2 options. For the last digit there is only one option. Now multiply everything. 3 times 2, 6 times 2, 12. That's a little advanced though. Meaning the last digit can have only 2 options. Right? So first you write that down, because that is where is the limitation. That is where is the restriction. First write that down, 2 options. And after that you have put one digit here. So the remaining 3, any one of the 3 can go here. And then you already utilized 2 digits. Any 2 can go here, and last there is only 1 that you have to put it here. So 1 times 2 times 3 times 2. Number of options, number of ways are 12. Any questions? We can do more of this. You want to do more of this? Let me see. How many even digit prime are there? Wait. How many? Let's see. Okay. 3-digit even numbers are there. How many 3-digit even numbers are there? Please go with this, okay? 3-digit even numbers are there. So how many possible digits can go here? How many possible digits can go here? How many possible digits can go here? You can multiply all of them, right?
Okay. when you say that, do you mean like how many digits can go in each spot, or do you mean like how many, like 365? That's one number, like
Correct.
one.
Correct. So how many 3-digit even numbers are there?
Okay. Hmm.
Did I get it right?
It starts from.
It cannot be 9 cube, right? Samhit, why do you think it's 9 cube? Aha, I know what you did, Samhit. It's not 9 cube. How many digits are there, Samhit? Good thoughts though. The way you did it was right, but you miscalculated the 9. I asked you, see, why did I ask you even numbers? Did you think about why did I ask you even numbers?
Even numbers.
Yeah, I asked you for even numbers, right? Samhit, number 1. Number 2, how many digits are there in mathematics, Samhit? How many digits are there in mathematics?
Infinite?
Hmm?
Infinite?
How many digits? Numbers are infinite. Digits form numbers. How many digits are there?
9.
No.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
How many digits are there?
I don't know.
Can I say?
Yeah, please try.
It's 10 including the 0.
Good job. Yes, Ritu, what was your answer?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, please. So there are 10 digits total. Okay. Now think about 3-digit numbers and it has to be even. So how many digits can go here if it has to be even? Yes, Yuvati.
Did I get it right?
I'm asking how many digits can go here?
For there can be, so we know that 0 is even, 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even, and 8 is even.
So how
which
many
gives
possible?
us 5 options.
5 options are for this one. Having said that, Lakshanya, how many possible digits can go in the second digit? Lakshanya, how many possible digits can go out of the 10? What are the digits that can go here?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, Lakshanya, did you get that? How many digits can go here? Can 0 come here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can all that come here? Lakshanya, tell me yes, no? You muted.
Yes.
Yes, so 9 possibilities are there. For this one, how many? Oh, there are 10 possibilities. Because 0 also can come here. For this digit, how many possibilities are there? Anvita, are you following? For the first digit of the 3-digit number, how many possible digits can go here?
Yeah, I'm following.
How many possible digits can go here of these? The first digit? No, even we have already got, and only the last digit is accounted for even. After that, the first digit of the 3-digit number can be anything but not 0. So 9 possibilities are there. So 9 times 10 times 5. How much is it? 90 times 5, 450. 450 3-digit numbers are even. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and ask. Naga, do you want to present?
Sure.
Go ahead and present, ma.
Okay. Are you okay if I stop sharing your screen?
Absolutely, ma. Thank you for asking. Go ahead.
Binary numbers.
Mm-hmm.
How do computers process our commands?
Mm-hmm.
Computers process our commands by turning them into binary, ones and zeros. These signals are understood by the computer's brain called the CPU, which then follows the instructions and gives us the result. What does 1 mean in binary? The number 1 in binary means on or to. 0 in binary means off or false. This is a chart showing how normal numbers, in our case called decimal, are written in binary only using zeros and ones. For example, let me take the 5 in binary. That is 0, 1, 0, 1, but in decimal that is 5. But it's not like real decimal, it's like that's what we call our numbers. Number systems. What is a number system? A number system is a way to write numbers. The ones we use every day is decimal, but computers use binary, which only has zeros and ones. Different types. Number systems have different types. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational, real, and complex numbers. Recap. I'm going to give you a list of questions, and you can shout out the answer if you know it. Don't say the answer.
Nice.
Which number system do we use every day?
The 10 system or decimal system.
Good job. That was attentive. Good job. Which number system do computers use? Nice question, my Naga. You go ahead.
Did you beautify these?
Okay, let's wait to answer. What is the answer first? We'll discuss the presentation. Presentation is too good. Which number system do computers use?
Binary.
0 and 1.
Binary.
Binary. Good job. Next.
And then, can the same number be written in different number systems?
No.
Yes.
Sometimes.
No.
Yes, always it can be written, right?
Yeah, for example,
At
five
least no.
binary is 1, 0, 1. They're supposed to be a 0. What's the difference between binary and decimal?
Binary uses the digits 0 to 9, while the binary system only uses digits 0 to 1.
Wow, good job.
Binary only uses 0 and 1. Decimal uses 0 to 9. Why do computers use binary instead of decimal?
Because they have a
Commands.
We have a what?
A CPU.
I think I've answered.
So what? They have a CPU, so? Okay, go ahead. Everybody's, we're all expecting the answer.
Because computers only understand on and off, which is like zeros and ones.
Good job.
Thank you.
Wow. Did you all like the presentation on number systems?
Of course I did. So
Short and sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, I have some questions for you guys since she presented on number system. Good job. Really very nice job. I want to react too.
Yeah.
It was really good, ma.
And then I'll put the sign for.
How did you make it 3D?
What is it?
How'd you make that 3D?
There's
in
like
Spanish.
annotation effects where you can make it like cube, where it can keep turning like that.
Wow. Okay, now I have some questions. Okay, can I have this number? Can I have this number 3, 4, 5? See, she talked about base 2. Binary number system, binary number systems. The numbers that come in that are in base 2. Okay, decimal number system are all in base 10. Okay, think of base 4. Okay, can I have the number 3, 4, 5 in base 4?
No.
No.
You only use. I know what digits to use.
Why I can't have 3, 4, 5 in base 4?
Because 5 isn't part of base 4.
Exactly. All digits that are used should be below, even 4 can't be in base 4. See, decimal number system has digits 0, 1, 2 to 9 only.
Yeah.
Base 2 has only 0 and 1. See, one number less than the base is what the digits are. One digit less than the base. 10 means 9 to 0. 2 means 1 to 0. So 4 will use, what are the digits it will use, Ritu? What are the digits base 4 will use?
The digits that base 4 will use is
4 to 6.
0 to 3, ma. What is going on?
Because like 4 minus 1 is 3.
Exactly. Base
And
7.
you know, like 4 is like the full in one, so yeah, you'd still go to 10.
Base 7 will use what numbers, Vihan?
It'll use 0 through 6.
Good job. 0 through 6. Okay, now one another question for Anvita. Base 6 will use what digits, Anvita?
5,
Hmm.
4, 3, 2, 1, and 0.
Good job. Okay, now, good job. Now let's go back, okay? Probability, as I said, probability, the chance of an event is always, what did we discuss? Number of favorable events. How many favorable events are there? Okay? Divide by the number of favorable occurrences, okay, divided by the total number of occurrences.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
what is favorable events?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Suppose you toss a coin, head or a tail. Okay? If head wins, I win. If tail comes, you win. Okay? What is my favorable occurrence?
Head.
Heads. What is your favorable occurrence?
Tail.
Tails.
Now, what is the probability of Priya winning?
50.
How do you know? One. Head, right? Head is only one occurrence. But what is the total number of occurrence?
2.
Head can come, tail can come. 1 out of 2. Priya winning is 1 out of 2. Ritu winning is only tail, right? Tail is 1 occurrence out of 2. Ritu winning is half, Priya winning is half. This is the probability of Priya winning. This is the probability of Ritu winning. Now let me ask you this. You have a deck of cards. How many of you know about a deck of cards?
All of us do.
All of you do? Okay. So what is the probability, okay, that you will pick a heart? You're picking a card at random. Okay. What is the probability that you will pick a heart? What is the number of favorable occurrences? What are the favorable occurrences?
Okay, so there's 10. So there in total, there's 10 cards that have heart from 1 to 10.
Okay. And then?
And then we have a queen with a heart. The heart of queens.
So how many favorable cards are there?
There's 12. King, queen, and the 12.
What do the others think? How many favorable cards are there if I want a heart card?
12.
What do the others think? Is it 12?
I don't really have the cards, so I'm just gonna go with what Neil says.
Oh my goodness, no. You have to know what is in the card, deck of cards. You need to know. Vihan, do you know the deck of cards?
So I bet if there was a joker, it'd be 13.
Not really, Neil. There is 1 to 10 and then J, K, Q. In heart, you have that. In spade, you have that. Again, in clover, you have 1 to 10 and J to K. And then in diamond, you have 1 to 10 and J to K. So, what are the favorable occurrences for heart then? How many?
12. Okay, so
is it 12?
14.
No.
Oh,
No, 13.
13.
I did not know if the joker was there.
This is not a joker. This is J. Guys, today you all go and check your deck of cards. So, how many total occurrences? How many total cards are there? 52. But 13 by 52 is not simplified. When you want to simplify, what would you do? 1 by 4. So, probability of picking a heart is 1 out of 4 chances. The probability is 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4 converted to a decimal? Who knows what is 1 by 4 converted to a decimal? Yes, Naga, tell me.
0.4 tenths.
Yeah. What is that 0.4 tenths?
Well, 0.4, but
not really. 1 by 4. The denominator should be converted to a 10 or a 100. How do you convert your denominator to a 10 or a 100, Naga? Times? times 4 times. Yes, Samhit, go and explain. 4 times 25. Yeah, you should always convert your denominator to a 10 or a 100. This is 25 by 100. 25 by 100 means 25 hundredths, right? Should end here. 25 hundredths means it should end 2 places after decimal. I'll put that, fill in that number there. 0.25. Okay. Now, what is the probability? Let me see how you do this. What is the probability of picking a K from a deck of cards? What is the probability of picking king from a deck of cards? Picking king
So,
from a deck of cards. What is the probability of picking a king from the deck of cards?
How many kings?
Wait, how much things are there in?
Good question. We'll do one homework this week. Can you go back to the deck of cards at home? Okay.
I don't really have a deck of cards, but sure.
Oh, then you buy one, okay? Please
It's
buy one
fine.
then.
But I still have good memory of deck of cards.
No, you better buy one, okay?
Oh, actually, on one of my board games in a sequence, I have the deck of cards.
Okay, this week that is your homework. You're all going to check and come, okay?
Wait, so we don't have to do any beach pages?
You do, okay? I'll assign that, but you should also look through the deck of cards and come, okay? Okay, can we stop here?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. See you all next week. Have a nice week.
Hey, will they enter 8?
What's the answer?
8.
8. How many kings are there? There are 4 kings. 4 out of 52.
50.
When you
And
simplify,
then
it's
we'll
1
go
out
back
of.
to 1/13.
Yep, 1/13th.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Snapchat.
Bye.
See you next week.
But can I
Bye.
What more?
Bye.
Bye. Ananya, I think it starts on another 7:10. Okay, meaning 7:10 they start, I think. Okay, Ananya. We will come back at 7:10. Hi guys. Hi guys. How are you all? Hi Ayan.
Good.
Hi Shrihan. Hi Ananya. Where is Nivina? Did she forget? Okay, Ayan, how was your star?
Math. We didn't do math yet.
Oh, okay.
So this Thursday we have math, but we did science and reading already.
How was it?
Good.
Ananya, how are you, ma? Ananya.
Good.
How are you? Okay. Ananya, you didn't get to do the homework and all yet, right, Ananya? Okay. How was the homework, Ayan and Shrihan? Was it hard? Was it easy? How was it?
Time to do it.
Hmm?
I didn't have time to do it because like school related.
Oh, you had schoolwork?
Yeah.
Okay, that's worrying me. Okay. Ayan, did you do the homework, Ayan?
I didn't get any homework. Is it the 100-question review?
Yes.
Oh, that one.
Yes. You finished it, right?
No, I didn't have time to do it. It didn't upload for me on the weekdays, and then on the weekends I had matches, so I didn't have time.
Oh, but you did it?
No, I didn't do it yet.
Okay.
I'll finish it by next class.
Yeah,
I
it
know
would be
that.
good if you can finish it, you know. Okay, interesting guys. Okay. Okay, would be nice if I can get that done. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. Let me stop screen share and share it again. Okay, then we'll see. The thing is, I'm going to go over. I'm not going to revise for 5th grade star, guys. Do you want me to revise for 5th grade star? Ananya, you tell me, ma. Should we revise for 5th grade star or go to? Are you confident?
I think we should review for 5th grade star. But I used to take classes somewhere else, and there I used to do pre-algebra, algebra.
Yeah, see, that's the deal. I don't want to waste the class, ma. Krihan and Ayan, what do you guys think?
There's something behind you, I think. There's a like sizzling noise.
Oh, there's a background noise. Let me see. Wait.
Yeah.
Is it much better now? What do you think, Ayan and Shrihan? Should we discuss 5th grade star review or 6th grade?
I think
we can discuss 5th grade star review.
Yeah, we can. That
Oh
would
my
be
god,
better.
everybody supports the same idea. Then I can't even go ahead, guys. Okay. There's a comprehensive for Ananya. You have a 5th grade star review. Okay. 100 questions are there. Can I send it to your mom, ma? Okay, right now she is in the process of completing registration and stuff, so let her complete. But I'm going to send this test to your mom. Okay, it has 100 questions in it. You're going to complete it. Okay?
Is it a test or a?
Yeah, this is like a test. You have to time yourself. I'm not giving it to you as a timed test because you're all preparing for only star. That is not a timed test. You have 4 hours, right? So you can take it at one shot, but please do complete before star. Okay? Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, I have sent it to your mom for now. Okay, that's the main thing that you need to complete before next class. Yama, go ahead.
Is it a test or a homework?
I don't know what to say. We are done with our 5th grade standards. So why don't you do that as a test? It's a 100-question test. Take 2 hours and do the test. Make sense? On and off we'll be having tests like that. Okay, usually I make it timed, but this time since you're all in 5th grade star does not require time. I have not given you a time factor. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, but can I expect you all to finish it at one shot? Don't take too much of time. Finish it at one shot and then see how you do. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, you want to review for star, right? So I'm going to completely review for star, but I want you to be a little faster too. Ananya, do you know where are the star papers?
Like the ones that are already posted on the website?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know where they are.
Have you started working on it?
Yeah, I've done almost all of them.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Then why do we want to review? I really don't understand. Okay.
I just feel like I don't understand. Like I need help in multiplying and dividing fractions.
Oh, I see. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to give you a question quickly. Okay. I have 3/4 of a pizza. Okay. I'll start with this. Okay. Dad came home and ate half of that pizza. Okay. What fraction of the pizza remained? What fraction of the pizza remained? What fraction of the pizza remains? Let me see, guys. It's an easy one, but I just want to know where we are. Take your time. What, ma?
I can see some of the question. It looks like some of it is erased.
You can read the question.
Yeah, it is.
What is it?
It's erased.
Is it? Hey, wait, guys. Then there is a problem in you viewing. That's interesting.
No, it's there.
Is there?
Yeah, now it can.
Thanks. Go ahead. Not really, Ayan. Why do you think so? Okay, how did you all get this? I have 3/4 of a pizza. Dad came home and ate half of that pizza. What fraction of the pizza remained? Ayan, can you explain?
So I did 3/4. Subtracted so 3/4 minus 1/2.
Why 3/4 minus 1/2? In the 3/4 of the pizza, he ate half of that pizza, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then how can you subtract half?
1/2 subtracted by 3/4. And
you subtracted half from 3/4?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you get?
I got 1/4.
Oh wow. Okay, guys. So see, guys, this was the question. Let me explain. Let me see. Okay, let me see what are we getting at. Okay, see here. So we have 3/4 of the pizza. You got it? We have 3/4 of the pizza. You got it? Dad came home and ate half of this. Dad came home and he ate this piece and he ate half of this piece. What is the fraction of the pizza that remains? Ananya, can you tell me what fraction of the pizza remains? Ayan, can you tell me? Or Shrihan, can you tell me?
But I don't know if it's right, but I would say like 1.5 over 4, but that doesn't really make sense. But that's like what I'm thinking.
Okay, 1.5 over 4 he says. What is 1.5 over 4? His intuition is correct. But what is 1.5 over 4? I cannot have a decimal in the numerator of a fraction. So can I multiply by 2 and see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that becomes 3/8 of the pizza remains. That is right. You get it, guys? Meaning there is only 3/4 of the pizza. So this is not subtraction. 3/4 of the pizza is there. This piece is not even there. In that, Dad came home and ate half of that pizza. So he ate half of this. He's completely finished eating this. How much of the pizza remains? 1.5 out of the 4 parts, right? Or it's 3/8. How do you do it? When you think about it, what is half of 3/4? What is half of 3/4 pizza? 3/8. He ate 3/8 of the pizza and the leftover was 3/8. Make sense? Ayan, Ananya.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Interesting, guys. Okay. Okay, now, 1 second. 1 second. Okay, these are all easy ones. 1 second, ma. I'm going to give you one more. Interesting though. Okay, how about this? Okay, you're going to. Okay, I'm starting from the first benchmark. Okay, we'll be a little quicker. Okay, how about this? Go ahead and do this one. Which one is right? A, B, C, D. I want answers from all, but we need to be quick since this is 5th grade math.
I can't see anything. Question.
You can't see anything. How about this?
I can, now I can.
Good, good, good. Shrihan, that was good. Ayan, that was good. Ananya, that was good. Guys, you seem to all rock 5th grade. I am seriously not sure why are you wanting. 1 second. I don't know why do you need a review of this. Okay, let's see how many questions we review. Okay, how about this? I'll give you quick. That's fine. Let's see. Go ahead with this. What is the value of the digit 7 in 4.072? They're asking for value, not the place value. They're asking for value. Shrihan, that's right. Ananya and Ayan, quick ma. Ananya, shout out ma.
The answer, I can't see the screen.
What is
Sorry,
the answer?
my screen glitched, so I wasn't able to see it.
Okay, what is the answer?
The answer would be B. I mean
B?
C.
C. Good job. Okay. Now, how about this? Would like you to be quick. All of you to be quick. The more quicker you answer, I am trying to finish 100 questions. Let's see. Go ahead. Which statement compares 0.45 and 0.405? Quick. You can all send the answers A, B, C, D. Quick. The quicker we answer, the better it is for us. Good job, Shrihan. Ayan, please send the answer quickly, ma'am.
I hear noise. I can't hear you.
No, answer the question. Ayan, can you hear me or not?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Ananya, do you want to check your microphone? Or speaker? Oh, good. Ananya, send the answer, ma. Would be nice if you can be quick.
I already sent the answer.
Okay, you already sent the answer? Okay. Ananya. Yes, Ananya. How about this? Which list is in order from greatest to least? Which list is in order from greatest to least?
Is it my least to greatest?
Yeah. Least to greatest. Sorry. Least to greatest. Shrihan, did you answer? Please put the question number and then answer, because I cannot detect which is your answer. You have to put the question number and the answer always. Good job, Shrihan, putting the question. This is question number 4, ma, Ananya. Ayan, correct, but I want the question number, Ayan, going further. Okay, how about this? Question number 5 is here. Which symbol makes the statement true? Good job, Ayan. Shrihan, can I get it?
Yeah.
Good job, Ananya. That was very fast. Shrihan, can you get your answer? Don't make me call out, guys. Okay, you're all right. Can I move on? Okay, let's see. How about this? Round 4.56 to the nearest tenth. That's right, Shrihan. Ayan, that's right. Ananya, did you get it?
I sent it.
Yes, ma'am. Round 9.875 to the nearest hundredth. To the nearest hundredth. Good job, Ayan. Good job, Shrihan. Ananya, can I get your answer? Good job, ma. Okay. See, this is where I feel it's very easy on you guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, 0.99 to the nearest tenth. 0.99 to the nearest tenth. You can just put the question number and answer. Good job, Shrihan. Good job, Ayan. Ananya, I'm waiting for your answer, ma. If you need help, let me know. Good job. Okay, ninth one. How do you represent 0.008 as a fraction? If you don't know any of these questions, quickly you have to tell me. Okay. Estimate next one on the board. Estimate the product of 48 times 21. These things you can be quick. That's right, Shrihan. That's right, Ayan. Ananya, I'm waiting for your answer, ma. You can be quicker, guys. You all seem to be good, so why don't you do it quicker? It's good to do it quicker too. The quicker you are, the better it is in math. Estimate the quotient of 512 by 24. Eleventh one.
I'm not so sure about this one.
Okay. See, estimate the quotient, right? You can round it a little bit. You can put 500 divided by, I can go to a 25. Basically, what is this? 500 is the nearest hundredth. I went to a 25. So what is 512 by 24? If you look at it, right? Divide by 2, divide by 2. 2, 6. 103, 6. So basically 6, 1, 6, 43, 6, 6 are 36, 6, 7 are 42, 17 I'm getting. So it's near to what? 500 by 25 is a 20. Answer is this. Ananya, did you get it? Ananya, did you get it, ma? Ananya, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Sorry, ma, I did not see your thumbs up. I'll see here after. Go ahead. Estimate the sum of 3.8 and 4.1. You can do it quick, guys. We are only reviewing, you said. Correct, Ayan, correct. Ananya, did you send? Oh, yes. See the 13th question. Estimate. What is the product? Directly they're asking. I don't know how you guys do, but I'm going to tell you an easy method to do these.
I sent my answer.
I do say. So how did you do, ma? Ananya, can you explain how you did that?
I just used the normal multiplication methods. But I do know another method.
Okay, tell me what is the other method. Go ahead. Go ahead and explain to us.
Okay, so one sec. Where did it go?
Yeah. You can just annotate on the board, ma. You can just annotate on the board. You don't have to have request control, remote control.
Okay.
You can just annotate on the board. You can just write on the board.
Yeah. How do? Oh, sorry. I thought
No
you had
problem.
to go for that.
Yeah. Go ahead.
One sec. Okay, so there's two ways you could do this with. One second. Draw. So you can take 345 times 12. You could do it that way. Or you could do 345 times
Or do you do that?
times 2 and then 345 times 10. And if you added those two products together, you would get the answer. And or if you just multiplied this way, you would also get the answer.
I really like your left way. 345 can be multiplied by 10 first. 345, if it's multiplied by 10, you get 3450. And then 345 times 2 is what? 690. Add both of them, partial products, right? If you add both of them, you get 4140. Very good job, Ananya. Doing that is the much safer bet. Okay, the traditional way is going to take a lot of time. Okay, when you move to this class, right, slowly you have to pick up the speed with which you do problems as well. Okay, the faster you are, the better at it. Okay, now I have more questions for you. This time I'm going to give you a question. Okay, so now let's see this. I have a bag that contains 80 lb sand. Okay, I want to put them in containers that can hold 1/8 lb, 1/4 lbs. How many containers do I need? How many containers do I need? Let me ask a couple of financial literacy questions, which is where we all have a problem usually. Let's see. Did you all get it? Was that a difficult question? Shrihan, I don't see you. Shrihan, are you there?
See if I can fix it.
What is it?
I'm seeing if I can fix my camera. Can you see me now?
Sorry, Shrihan. What was that?
Can you see me now?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Shrihan. I really appreciate it. Okay, next week you all are finishing up your grade 5 star, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next week I'm doing math star.
I think I have map after
Tomorrow I'm doing science.
Oh, I see. Okay. Go ahead and do this. What is this? Is this taking time, guys? I don't understand. Not really, Ananya.
Oh,
wow,
week,
Ananya, very sweet of you. You put the question number 14. Nice of you. Go ahead.
This week for me is Science Star on Wednesday, and then I have Math Star on next Tuesday.
Ah, okay. Good to know.
I don't get it. For a second, I thought I got it, but then I just messed up.
Oh, you didn't get it. Okay. Okay, I have a bag that contains. See, guys, all of you listen. I didn't see anybody's answer correct. There is a bag containing 80 lb sand. Okay. I'm going to put it into several containers 1/4 lb, 1/4 lb, 1/4 lb, 1/4 lb. So, what should I do? What is the operation? 80 has been divided by 1/4. So, how to divide 80 by 1, right? What do you do here? Times 4/1, right? So, you need 320 containers. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Ananya, I solved it. You went and came back and we solved it. Did you understand, Ananya? It should be 320. Shrihan, did you understand? Shrihan, did you understand? Shrihan, I didn't get your yes or a no, Shrihan.
He's putting his thumbs up.
Oh, yeah.
Can you not hear me?
No, now I heard you, but the first time we didn't.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for letting me know. Okay. Ananya, did you understand, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Which of these actions represents a sensible way to balance a personal budget that is currently in deficit?
What does deficit mean?
Good question. These are little rigor questions. Deficit means that is already where the spending is more and the earning is less. So, what do you think? Send the answer to me. Deficit means where the spending is more but we don't have enough income. Good job, Ananya. Deficit is that's where it is. Shrihan and Ayan, give me the answers. Okay, let me give you 5 questions at one shot so that way you can get to do a bunch. Okay, let me. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this at one shot. This is a good one. Done. 99 is C. Good job. Ayan, B. Ayan, if you keep on spending by eating at restaurants, would you be able to sensibly balance the budget?
No.
You're already spending a lot more than your income. So what you should do? Balancing a budget means your income should be equal to the spending.
C?
See, unnecessary expenses should be cut down, right? Okay, how about this? We are going to solve 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Can we try? Can we try that? What is 0.24 times 0.05?
See the last question.
Don't worry about it. Keep going. You don't need the answer options at all. You can just send the answer for the last question.
Wait, do we have to do all of them?
Yes, together. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
I can't see the screen.
It's kind of to the side. It moved.
It's cut off.
Are you able to see or not?
Yeah.
Oh, we are now.
Okay. So I am seeing a little bit of a gap there and here. Okay, let me note down. You can send one by one as well, guys. I'll keep checking, right? Good job, Shrihan.
I have a question on number 23. Is the first number 2/5?
Yeah. Is it too small, ma?
Yeah.
I can make it bigger hereafter. The first number is 2 by 5. A recipe calls for 2 by 5 cup of brown sugar and 1 by 4 cup of white sugar. What is the total amount of sugar that's needed? You can just send the answer as a number for that one. Oh wow, what is that, Shrihan? Number 20. Oh.
20.
Shrihan, 19, 20, 21, 22, you can give me the options, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
But number 23's answer choices are cut off.
Yeah, that's why I said please send me the answers. You don't need the answers, right?
Oh.
Yeah, you can just send the answers.
I need help on number. Actually, never mind. I got it.
You got it?
I sent the answer.
Take your time, doesn't matter. Shrihan.
I send you all of my answers together.
Okay. I'll check, guys. Take your time, take it, do it slowly. Yeah. This is 19. Shrihan, 19 is correct. 21 is not A. Yeah, 22 is okay. 21 seems wrong, Shrihan.
Given you answer.
Yeah, Ayan, that's correct. All are correct.
I given you answer.
19th seems incorrect, ma. 19th seems incorrect, ma, Ananya. Ananya, what is 8.4 by 8, ma? 1. How many 8 goes in 8? 1 and then a dot. How many 8 go in 4? None, 0. Then put a 0. How many 8 go in 4 is 1.05, right? So answer is this, Ananya. Did you get it?
Oh, I got that one on my paper. I just chose the wrong answer choice.
Oh, that's important. Write in star. Okay, now Ayan, which one did you get? Let's see. Shrihan, you made a mistake on this, right? 7.8 pounds of apples. He splits them into 1.2, 1.2. Splitting means division. 7.8 by 1.2 is 78 by 12, right? 39 by 6, right? 13 by 2, which is 6.5, right? Shrihan.
Yeah, that's what I got. That's what I did.
Shrihan, you didn't do that.
Myself.
Did you understand, Shrihan?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Can I move on, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to I'm going to make it bigger. I don't want you guys to have a problem. Okay, coordinate planes. Let's revise coordinate planes quickly. See, these are a tad bit higher. Okay, but it's okay. For the start, you can practice this. When graphing any ordered pair in a coordinate plane, from what specific location do you always start? So you can just send me the options 76, 77, 78. I'm waiting. You can just send the 3 letters as well if you're confident.
I can't see
It's cut
that.
off.
What, ma?
Nothing.
Now it's better.
Oh,
It
I
keeps on
know.
like something
Yeah, I know what
glitches.
is going on. See, okay, I got it. Go ahead. Nice. Srihan, all are correct. Ananya, 76, 77, 78, right, ma? Ayan, everything is correct. Ananya, I'm waiting for your answer. Shout out your answers, ma.
I got cut off again.
No, I had to get the questions for you, but I want you to be a little faster. 76, 77, 78. You can shout out your answers, Ananya. Others are done. What are the answers? Tell me
For the
the.
first one would be B,
Uh,
second one C, and third one A.
Good job. So you're all good then. Okay. So when it comes to word problems, I'm seeing problems there and here. Okay, how about this? Mm, let's see, guys. Oh wow, that's a good one. Okay, let's see. How about? Oh yeah, we need to do this one. Let's do this one. Okay, you did not do the properties in geometry, properties of polygons. Let's see. Okay, we have 4 questions in here. Come on, guys. Oh, that's so hard. It's a small board. Yeah, now you're able to see. Okay, just be back. 57, 58, 59, 60. There are 4 problems. Take your time. Please do it correctly.
Could you show a picture of a kite?
Shrihan, I'm sorry. What was that?
Can you show a picture of a kite?
Oh, picture of a kite, ma. Picture of a kite is this.
Thank you.
I'm waiting for your answers, guys. Oh wow, good job, Ananya. Ayan, I'm waiting. Shrihan, I'm waiting.
Yeah, I'm almost done.
Uh-huh. Uh, did you answer, Shrihan?
Putting them all together. That's
Oh,
why.
okay. I'll wait. No pressure. Is the review helping, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a little, the problems are a tad bit difficult. But you guys can do. A kite is not a parallelogram, you know, right, Ananya? Yeah. Kite is a quadrilateral where consecutive sides are congruent. Did you get it? Okay.
Yeah.
Good job, Ayan. Shrihan, I'm just waiting for your answer.
Thank you.
Can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, please go and come back. Okay, let me see this one. These are all properties of parallelograms which I feel there's a gap. Let me see. Okay, did you guys get it? Oh my gosh, what happened? Where is my board? I don't see my board. Interesting. Okay, did you get it? Shrihan, I'm waiting for you. Shrihan, can you shout out your answers?
Send the answers.
Yeah. No, 59 and 60 I didn't get properly.
Should I just shout it out then?
Yeah, please.
57 is C, 58 is B, and 59 is D.
59, 60 is as well there, right?
Oh wait, I accidentally skipped 59.
I know. 59 is what is the answer for 59?
So 57 is C, 58 is B, and 60 is D. And then 59 it would be A.
Good job. Is it true that all squares are rectangles? I'm going to wait and see.
Oh,
I'll wait and see. You can just send the two letters as well. 54, 55. Let's do some multiplicative additive relationship. You know what fraction we need to do, guys? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ayan. Is that right?
The first one?
Yeah, Ayan. First one is what, Ayan? Can you explain? The others got it right. Shrihan and Ananya. Go ahead.
D?
Are all squares rectangles, first of all, Ayan?
Not really.
Ayan, what is the requirement for a rectangle?
Two parallel pairs.
Yeah, there are two parallel pairs of sides, okay. And what is the other requirement for a rectangle?
Four right angles.
Four right angles, square has it. And then what others? Opposite side should be congruent, right?
Yeah,
In a square, this is congruent to this is congruent to this. Is it not a rectangle?
it is.
Check if the square possesses the properties of rectangles. Yes, it does. So answer is this or this. Yes, it does possess all the properties of a rectangle. Right? Squares have
Yeah.
four right angles and opposite parallel sides. That's right. You got it?
Yeah.
A rectangle does not need four equal sides. So the answer is B. You got it?
Yeah.
What attribute must a rhombus possess? Rhombus, what differentiates a rhombus and a parallelogram? Tell me. A rhombus is generally a parallelogram, but a parallelogram is not a rhombus. Why? Parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel, that's all. The opposite sides are parallel here as well. That's why rhombus is a parallelogram. But rhombus really needs all sides to be equal, which a parallelogram does not. So, four congruent sides is the only thing that a parallelogram does not require. Got it?
Yeah.
Rhombus requires four congruent sides. Make sense? Okay, how about this? Let me ask you this. I'll know how good are you with fractions now. Subtract this, and a painter needs 3/4 gallon of paint for a room if he's painting 5 identical rooms. Good job, Shrihan. Ananya and Ayan. Shrihan, that's right. Ananya, can you send? Mm-hmm. 25, 26, right? Ananya, did you send? I've also given the third question, Shrihan. You can proceed with that. Find the quotient of 6 divided by 1 by 3. Come on, guys. I'm going to give you questions. Yeah, I really wanted to do this one, these three. Come on. Yeah, that's nice. 27 is. Shrihan, that's right. Ananya, did you send, ma?
Find a quotient, an answer.
No. What
Sorry.
is the answer for 25, 26?
Question.
25, 26, did you answer, Ananya?
I send you it.
Did you answer
Just now.
25, 26, Ananya? Ayan, can you do the 26th on the board?
Oh, find the question one?
Yeah.
I sent you the answer, all three of them.
No. 26th one, can you do it on the board?
Oh, on the board. Okay.
Yeah.
Your
Ananya,
voice is
what were your answers? Can you shout out?
glitching. Could you say that again?
I didn't get your answers. You did not put the numbers correctly. Can you resend your answers?
I still can't hear you.
I think your audio has a problem. Shrihan, do you hear me? Ayan, do you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you clearly.
Can you check with your mom, Ananya? Ananya, I want you to resend the answers. 5 by 1. How did you do, Ayan? Times 3 by 4. Okay, that's correct. So, but you said the answer was B. The answer was what?
C.
3 by
I
4.
wrote C2 and then.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry, Ayan. Go ahead. Okay, Ananya, what were your answers? What were your answers, Mananya? Ananya.
One sec. Could you explain the one underneath 26?
Yeah, absolutely, ma. Like this, I want you to ask Ananya. Very nice of you. A painter needs 3 by 4 gallons. One room is there. There are 5 identical rooms, correct? He is using 3 by 4 gallons to paint this room. 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 So 3 by 4 is repeated 5 times, right? How do you multiply fractions? 15, this is 5 by 1 by 4. 15 by 4 gallons.
I was saying the one underneath 26.
Sure. This one, do you want me to explain? This is 6 by 1 divided by 1 by 3. 6 by 1, you change the sign, flip the number. 18 by 1, which is 18. You got it?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And do you think we can stop here, or what do you want to do? Do you want to do more? Okay, how about this? I really want you to try maybe one more or two more for sure. Let's try this one. A math teacher has 1 by 5 of a block of clay. She divides it equally among 3 students. What fraction of the whole block?
I can hear background noise.
I know. Ayan, do you hear anything?
Nope.
Ananya, we are not hearing Ananya. Shrihan, do you hear any noise? I just want to understand the system. Shrihan, do you hear? Huh?
A little, but I can hear you a lot still.
Okay, Ananya, do you still hear any noise? Ananya, do you still hear ma?
I sent my answer.
No, do you still hear the noise? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, Ayan, did you get it, ma? Shrihan, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Did you guys get it? What was the answer? Shri.
A.
Okay, good job. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, good job, guys. Now, coming to your star. All the best for your star. Okay. So before we meet next week, you're all going for the star exam, right? Right, guys?
I'm doing my math star like in a week.
In a week. Okay. Okay.
Next Tuesday. But tomorrow I'm doing my science star.
All the very best, guys. Okay. Be focused. Do it well. Recheck and then submit your papers. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. See you all next week. Same time.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Bye, Ananya. Bye, Ma. Your mother want to talk to me? Okay.